Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you on how you can actually move your folders or your files, particularly folders, into your Kali Linux, right? So Kali Linux is majorly used for penetration testers or ethical hackers, right? So basically what I'm going to do right now is, you can see I have my virtual machine on and I have my Kali Linux on also. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a folder on my desktop, right? I'm going to create a folder. I'm going to call this folder move to Kali. I'm going to enter the folder, and inside of this folder, right, I'm going to create a new folder again. I'll call this folder inside folder. Then inside of this in this same folder here, I'm going to create a new text document. I'll call it watch me text here. So basically what we are going to do now is that we're going to move this move to Kali folder. We're going to move it inside of our Kali Linux operating system. And the way you do that is very easy. Is that you go straight to your VirtualBox. This is my VirtualBox right here. Now in my VirtualBox here, just go straight to your Kali virtual machine running. You click on the settings. You click on the settings. Then you click on the settings, go straight to shared folders. Then you click on this second one, transit folders right here. Click on the second one. What you do now is that when you click on this part here, you click on this plus sign. Then you click on this drop down here, click on order. Then I'll go into my desktop. I'll go into my desktop and locate that folder name called move to Kali. You can see I'll select folder. Then I'll click on auto mount. So you have to auto mount it. Click on OK. You can also make it permanent also. So I'll click on OK here. So what I've just done now is that I've actually moved this folder here into my Kali Linux operating system. So to confirm it, I can go straight into my home page here. Just click clear. Oh, okay, I need to click on my home. Sorry. So I'll click on my home page right there. I think I click it multiple times. So now if you click on your home, or you just click on here, you'll be seeing the folder right. So take a look at the folder. If I click on it, I have this folder now inside my Kali Linux. So basically I can open my terminal right here. I can just right click in this area here. I'll right click in that area there. So I'll just click on open terminal here like this. So I'll wait for a second. So I have the terminal opened already. So I'll click on just to zoom it. Then I can actually do anything. I can say make there. I can create a folder called lookup, right? So if I do a ls, I have new folder called lookup. I can also confirm it inside this move Kali here. If I double click, so you can see I have a folder called lookup. So this is how you actually move your folders on your desktop machine into your Kali Linux. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. And also you can tell me more videos, what kind of tutorials you want me to make in Node.js security, laravel security, or even in Kali Linux. And I'll see you guys next time.